Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargul. In this video I tell you about the journey of chocolate. We have all eaten chocolate but not many of us know where it comes from or how it is made. Historians say chocolate has been around for almost 2000 years. In ancient times, chocolate was a symbol of wealth as only the rich could afford it. Chocolate came from Central and South America to Spain in the 1500s through Spanish explorers who brought it back with them. It became very popular and quickly spread throughout Europe. You would be amazed to know that chocolate comes from coca tree in its raw form. It's very surprising that the flowers of a coca tree grow on the trunk of the tree, not on its branches. These flowers grow throughout the year. When the fruits is ripe, large reddish pods hang all over the tree. Each pod contains 20 to 40 beans. It takes the pod about 6 months to ripen. After that, the pods are collected into heaps and then split open to remove the beans. Now, the process of delicious chocolate making starts. First of all, the beans are heated or placed in the hot sun for drying. Then they are sent to factories. Chocolate beans are cleaned before they are roasted in a big oven. Next, the shells are removed from the beans. The remaining pieces are edible are and called nibs. The nibs are roasted and mixed with sugar and made into paste. Dried milk and some flavors are added to the mixture. This mixture is then poured into big trays. A granty roller is pushed in each tray for several days. The chocolate now became a fine liquid. Finally, this liquid is left to harden. This is how chocolate is made. Chocolates are no doubt a good source of vitamins and minerals, but eating too much chocolate is not a good habit. We must remember to always brush our teeth after eating chocolate. Now eat chocolate carefully. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.